today I will be comparing Espresso machine 20 bar with milk frother versus the HOMOKUS 12 cup coffee maker with Burr grinder. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So, brewing methods is espresso based 20 bar pressure in espresso machine and drip coffee with built-in Burr grinder in HOMOKUS. Pressure is 20 bar pump pressure for espresso extraction in espresso machine and standard drip brewing no pressure in HOMOKUS. Capacity is single double shot espresso brewing in espresso machine and 12 cup carb in HOMOKUS. Grinder is no built-in grinder in espresso machine and yes built-in Burr grinder for fresh grounds in HOMOKUS. Milk frother is yes manual steam wand for frothing milk, cappuccinos, lattes in espresso machine, and no drip coffee maker with no milk frothing feature in HOMOKUS. Water tank capacity is typically around 1.2 liters depending on model in espresso machine and 1.5 liters large enough for 12 cups in HOMOKUS. Programmable is no manual brewing and frothing controls in espresso machines and yes fully programmable green settings brew strings timer in HOMOKUS. Brew strength control is yes adjust the brew strength manually through pressure control in espresso machine and yes adjustable brew strength settings in HOMOKUS. Type of coffee used is ground coffee, espresso blend recommended in espresso machine, and wall beans with built-in grinder or pre-ground coffee in HOMOKUS. Cup warmer is the same and it's no. Display type is basic buttons and dial controls in espresso machines and LED display with buttons in HOMOKUS. Auto shut-off is yes automatic shut-off after a certain period of inactivity in espresso machine and yes after brewing is complete or after keeping warm in HOMOKUS. Green settings is NA, no grinder in espresso machine and yes multiply green levels for custom brewing in HOMOKUS. Heating plate is no focused on espresso extraction in espresso machine and yes keeps coffee warm after brewing in HOMOKUS. Ease of cleaning is detachable parts, water tank, drip tray, portafilter in espresso machine, and detachable parts easy to clean Burr grinder and carve in HOMOKUS. Price range is mid-range 120 to 200 in espresso machine and mid to high range 200 to 300 in HOMOKUS. Warranty is 1 year limited warranty and is the same. Ideal for espresso enthusiasts who want a compact machine with a frother in espresso machine and drip coffee lovers who prefer fresh ground coffee and larger capacity in HOMOKUS. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the HOMOKUS 12 cup coffee maker with Burr grinder. The link to buy it is in the video description.